I was in talks with someone, and I found someone really luckily that wants their car washed. They're going to work at 6 AM in the morning tomorrow. It's really late now, trying to be quiet. The last thing I want is another council fine for the noise. So, the reason why it's so late, they've just finished work and they've got to go somewhere at 6 AM tomorrow. So they want the car ready for the morning. They're offering £60. I don't know if it's because it's late. I'm a night shift worker, so the car's just down there. I found this ball here as well. That's what my plan is. Hopefully I can get out of this situation. Shitty situation. Yeah. Missed the spot. Should have bought another sponge. One more sponge. It's 3:30 AM. It's gonna start getting light. I'll finish off the rest of the car and then come back in a minute. I've finished the job now, so if you have that money, I'd appreciate it a lot. There should be more. And I think there's one more as well, if that's alright. Thanks.